Electrify your imagination with our DIY kit. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 7, which is blinking LED. So let's follow the instructions. I have already placed the batteries. What it says, place the 1K resistor that is placed here, placed on I13 to the positive rail. 1K resistor. Hope you can see it clearly. The horizontal row is I and the column is 13. So one end of the resistor is placed inside the I13 and the other end on any hole, any nearby hole in the positive rail. Okay, so that is done. Then connect 3 wires. One is J14 to I21. You can use any color, J14 to I21. So J14 to I21. J14 to I21. Then J25 to the positive. J25 to the positive, and A25 to the negative. A25 to the negative. So make sure that you carefully connect these wires, because if the connection is wrong, it can damage the CPU IC. Okay, so I have connected. Double check the connection. J25 to positive and A25 to negative, and then I21 to I14. Okay, so I'm switching it on. You will notice that the LED blinks. So the CPU has already been programmed to provide the blinking signal on pin 18. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.